I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had to turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. It's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed. We're
Hey guys,
same.
what's up? What's good? What I do? I hope you are doing well. Happy Sunday, you guys. Happy Sunday. I'm actually about to remove this wig. I think the lace has moved a little bit to the back, but yeah, I think I'm gonna remove it. I don't even know why I'm brushing it. I always brush my wigs before I remove them. I don't know if you guys do the same, but I don't know, I'm just used to it. But anyways, happy Sunday, you guys. We are starting a new vlog right now. That's my OOTD. I changed already. I was actually wearing a blue dress. I tried filming immediately after church, but my camera was low bat, so I had to charge my battery. As I was saying, I'm going to remove this wig right now. I'm going to remove it. I also need to wash my face and remove the makeup. Today's makeup was just like very simple. I didn't want to overdo it because it's church anyways. It's a brand new week, and yeah, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do this week, you guys. We'll see how it goes. New things might come up, but all I know is that I'll be busy working, and then I also need to do something very exciting, like very exciting. I'm not gonna tell you guys right now because of course it is a secret. So yeah, I'm not gonna mention anything for now. I'll tell you guys when the time comes, or should I say I'll tell you on the right time. But it's something very exciting. I'm super excited, and I'm going to do that tomorrow. And then beside that, I mentioned to you guys last time that I got one brand deal, and they requested me to create some contents for them for the website, not for Instagram, but they said if I want I can post the video on Instagram as well. So I'm still thinking about it. This brand is not a stranger at all. I've been using their product for quite some time now, and I feel like I'm confident. I know the brand, I know it works for me, so I'm very confident to do, you know, to review their products and, you know, use them and stuff like that, because I know the brand. So I am super excited to be working with this brand. So yeah guys, I am happy, and yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just remove this beautiful wig. If you want to know where I got this wig from, I do have a review. Yeah, I have a video. I'm going to link it somewhere, and I think in the description box. Yeah, check it out. You'll be able to see where I got this wig from. By the way, if you are new here, you are most welcome. Welcome home, welcome to your house, darling. Please make yourself at home. Go down below, click on the subscribe button now, okay? Subscribe to this channel. Yeah, we do everything, okay? We do everything, and I'm sure you will not be disappointed at all. And also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome home, darling. Welcome home. I appreciate you so much. I love you, and thank you so much for your support. You guys, double check, okay? Even if you are a returning subscriber, please go down below and double check to see if you are subscribed, because some of you guys are actually watching me even though you are not subscribed. So please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. I really want to give you guys a lot of content this year. I want to create a lot of sit down videos. I'm just trying to put myself together. I just want everything to be in place before I start creating those sit down videos. So I'm super excited for what's coming up, you guys. So I will definitely create those videos. So if you have some other video ideas that you'd like me to film, please leave them in the comment section down below. Love you guys, and I'll catch up with you tomorrow. I'm trying to. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you are doing well. I'm coming from the gym, by the way. You guys, my nails are messed up. Can you guys see? This nail here is stuck. I'm trying to remove it, and this one as well. It's stuck. Like, I'm done with acrylic nails for now. I'm no longer gonna do acrylic nails for now, okay? This is just so until my nails are looking a bit stronger, because I feel like they are very weak right now. Anyways, I placed an order from Checkers 60, and I'm super excited to receive my order. I'm really happy today because my order took about 35 minutes. As long as it's less than 60 minutes, and then I'm happy, because Checkers should deliver within 60 minutes. Oh girl. By the way, you guys, I'm wearing this set that I got from Shein. I'm sure you guys have already seen this in the bureau, but anyways, this is how it looks like. This is how it's looking. Absolutely love it. I love it so much, you know. Anyways, these are the items that I got from Checkers. This is like my weekly, or should I say my after every 2 weeks groceries shopping. Should I do a grocery haul for you guys? I feel like I always do that on my channel. Anywho, let's just open them. So we have this porridge, mainly for the kids. We have crown oil. My kids love these porridge, so I always buy it for them. And then I have this chicken spice. That I bought, you guys. I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and pack them in my cupboard, or should I say my pantry. I don't have a pantry. I'm just gonna pack them in my cupboard. I'll make the kids some french fries because they are asking for french fries. I'll do that for them, and then yeah, that's all I'm doing now. I really don't have much to do. I think I'm gonna catch up with you guys a little bit. Well, let me not lie, I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow because I really don't have much to do. Again, before I forget, if this is your first time, please subscribe to my channel, okay? Go down below and click on that subscribe button, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you'll be notified when I upload another video. Oh, by the way guys, before I forget, one of you guys told me that she's not getting the notification every time I upload a video on YouTube, on my channel, even though she has already clicked on the notification bell. I'm not really sure what's going on with YouTube these days, so all I can say is that try removing the notification bell. Like, just click on it to remove like the notifications bell, and then you click on it again for the second time. Maybe this is gonna work out. I don't have enough space on this SD card, so I'm gonna go. I hope you are doing well. I am super hungry. Like, if you could see my tummy right now, girl, you'll be like, girl, what's happening? I'm gonna make breakfast. I'm just gonna go ahead and make one egg quickly because your girl is starving. I am starving. I'm super duper hungry. I was okay, just give me. Don't think I'm gonna need the.
Just take a look at yourself. Do you really think it's
Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use these blue ribbon sprays. I absolutely love them.
Just take a look at yourself. Can't even be your own friend. Cause you're way too stuck in your head. How do you think it's gonna end? Nothing that they could do. Nothing that they could say. Nothing that they could do is take all the pain away. Sometimes it works out and sometimes it don't. Sometimes you win some and sometimes you won't. But we could be everything, anything that we say we could be. We could be everything that we want. We could be everything, anything that we say we could be. We could be anything that we want.
I'm gonna go ahead and drink this juice that I got from Woolies the other day. Just gonna put it in there.
Others' opinions to know how you're feeling, to know if you're losing
Juice.
if you're sinking or swimming, existing or living, nothing that big.
Guys, I am in my office. I just thought that I should come here and have breakfast here because I'm also doing some editing.
Sometimes you win some, and sometimes you won't.
I love this juice. It's very, very nice. Every time I drink it, I feel like it's reminding me to be healthy. Because of the color, green. It's banging. It's hitting in all the right places. Anyway, I'll continue editing and then I think I'll probably speak to you guys later on or tomorrow. Yeah. Bye.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
I'm just here to show my flower bouquet, you guys. It looks amazing. I'm checking out now, so I decided to go ahead and just wrap it up because I'm not gonna leave it. No, I'm not gonna leave it. I love this place, you guys. They've got some cute, I'm in the bathroom, they have some cute stuff here.
Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine.
Okay, let's go. Open for me.
After you, mommy.
After me. Let me sit first. Thank you, boy. Floss. Such a romantic boy. Telling mommy, after you, mommy. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Welcome back to another day of this vlog. I hope you are doing well. Today is Saturday. If you're new here, please don't forget to go down below and click on that subscribe button. Okay, click on the subscribe button to become a part of this family, and also don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when I upload another video. Let's go.
Wow.
There's traffic. So we're on our way to the beach, to Cam's Bay. The weather is super beautiful today. Might as well just go out and enjoy the beach. So let's go.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. I wanted to escape for a while. I called a couple of friends and we went out, but I never thought I'd see your face. I really wanted to escape, but it was just too late. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. We skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. On my speed.
Guys, I'm super hungry, so I'm coming from Pick and Pay. I don't know if you guys can hear me. There's like a lot of noise in the street, so I'm coming from Pick and Pay to buy some food to eat with the family. There's the plastic. These are all the items that I managed to get. So right now I am going back to where we are sitting so that we can eat and just relax for the rest of the day. I'm actually planning to be here for another 1 or 2 hours, and then I'll go back home. So yeah, so far so good. The beach is very full, eh? Very full. There's like people everywhere. Cora, come this way. You guys, we went to the beach on Saturday and it was amazing. I was actually at the beach a few years ago, if I'm not mistaken. Well, that is because of the COVID as well, because no one was going out during COVID. But I just realized that I haven't actually been at the beach for like more than 2 years. Oh my god. So yeah, we were at the beach. We spent like a few hours there and it was amazing. It was amazing. Absolutely love it. And we might go again this weekend. The reason why I want to go back again is simply because I want to enjoy, you know. I really want to enjoy. I really enjoy sitting at the beach, you know, relaxing, you know, just watching people swimming and stuff like that. I no longer swim at the beach. Let me know down below, do you swim when you go to the beach? I don't do that anymore. I don't know why though. I can only swim in the swimming pool, but when it comes to the beach, I just go in there and, you know, I just walk in water and that's it. I sit and relax, read a book, drink something, eat, and then yeah, maybe take a nap or something. And I really wanted to fly my drone at the beach on Saturday, but I was super disappointed because the drone was not fully charged, so it did not want to go on. So guys, that's all for today. I really don't have much to do besides from meal prepping. Yeah, I'll be meal prepping today. Yeah, I really need to meal prep. By the way, I didn't go to the gym today. Bad habits. I should have gone to the gym because today is Monday, but I did not go because I'm working and I'm lazy to go after work. But anyways, today I'm doing meal prep. Yeah, I'll be doing meal prep after work, so I'll film it so that you guys can see how I do my meal prep. So far that is the updates that I'm actually giving you. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video. So I'll catch up with you guys later. Bye.
I wanted to escape for a while. Thought that a couple of drinks could ease my mind. I've been thinking of you for 2 weeks straight. I know that I need to get myself back in the game. Someone said your name had a turn around. Suddenly you're there standing in the crowd. Everything comes back in the blink of an eye. It's like you're mine, you're still mine. They skip the small talk, cause you know me better than I know myself. Oh, mine's been a while now since I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else.
I'm gonna go ahead and put all these veggies in this pan. I like to use chicken oil, so this is the chicken oil that I used earlier, so I'm just gonna quickly go ahead and put the veggies here. Love it like that because it gives it a very nice taste. So yeah. Guys, I'm watching Dima. She is one of my faves. I love her so much, Kesan.
I saw you, but it feels like yesterday somehow. Time has stopped, nothing's changed, we're the same. And we skip the small talk, cause you know me, yeah, you know me like nobody else. The small talk.
It looks juicy and yummy, you guys. Jolo for rice. Jolo. I'm gonna use these lunch boxes to put. I'm busy filming. I'm coming, okay? So I'm gonna use these containers or lunch boxes to put in my meal prep. I used to have 3 of these, but I'm not seeing the other one, so I'm gonna use this one. Let me show you guys how my meal prep looks. I like to make my meal prep for 3 days only because yeah, I'm just used to do that. So yeah, this is how it looks. My battery is dying now, you guys, so I love it. So this is gonna be my dinner for the past 3 days. The food tastes amazing. This food, I love it. I was filming a reel as well. This is appetizer, by the way. I was filming a reel, so hopefully it's gonna come out right. Anyway, you guys, I think I'm gonna stop vlogging for now because I need to eat and just clean the kitchen. It looks very, very dirty. There's stuff all over the place. I'll do that and then we'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. Bye.